We are not doctors, but in this little video of a few minutes, we will give you the superb advices that has really worked and continues to chew for you. Number 1. Hang lemon water. Lukewarm water alone is superb for waking up the intestinal transit, but adding lemon in the water is like a shot of raw vitamin C. Take some in your tumbler cup and normally a few minutes later, the runny nose stops. Number 2. Ventilate your room. Sometimes the problem is missing air or musty. Open your windows to let out the night air and let in the new CO2. Your airspace will be clear. So no more stuffy nose, no more choking that gives you that nasty cold. Number 3. Change your bed sheets and iron them if possible. If the 2 previous points do not work for you, then you may be allergic to dust mites. These are the little beasts that nestle in the sheets, covers, etc. So, when you get up, shake the comforter and the pillows. You will need to reduce the number of bed cushions also, because sometimes they attract more and this breed and nest there. We recommend that you have 3 pairs of sheets and then change them every 2 days. Or you can iron it if you don't want to change it. You will see it will get way better. Number 4. Take a warm bath or shower. So, maybe the problem is the cold or your body temperature. Regulate it according to your temperature with a lukewarm water instead of a warm water. Your pores will be cleared and your muscle relaxed. So those of the throats and also of the chest. Number 5. Eat a breakfast rich in fiber. After lemon water, nothing better than fiber. To ensure that your immune system is in place, eat several fruits at a time in a porridge, for example, in a smoothie, or make yourself a fruit salad. Now, naturally, as usually, our bonus points. Avoid coffee immediately. Coffee is dehydrating, and the sinuses need a lot of water to clear. Even if it's comforting at a time, this exciting drink is known for its ability to produce mucus in the body. So if you want to reduce mucus, reduce everything that produces mucus. Replace the coffee with chai latte, for example. If you want specific ideas of recipe, watch our videos called Girly Meals to reinforce your immune system. It's of course not only girly, it's for everybody, but it is girly pretty. Now the reward for those who are still here in the video. Stop mucus or irritation by drinking. By drinking what? Good drinks. For example, slowly drink a tea with honey. Choose cinnamon teas, chamomile, fennel, orange, ginger, and lemon tea. All that is antioxidant and antibacterial. What is your favorite tip? Like to let others know all about it. See you tomorrow in a special no symptoms video. So subscribe. Bye bye.